Hi, I'm Navneet Kaur from RS Inspection Service Limited. We are an independent third-party inspection and audit firm. In this video, I'll take you through an overview on zero tolerance in social audit. In social audits, zero tolerance issues refer to the most severe violation of labor and ethical standards that are deemed completely unacceptable under any circumstances. When these issues are identified during an audit, they typically lead to immediate action, which could include terminating contracts or requiring urgent remediation. Here are some common zero tolerance issues with explanation. Child labor. The employment of children below the legal minimum working age is strictly prohibited. Child labor is considered a zero tolerance issue because it is not only illegal in most jurisdictions but also harmful to the child's development, education, and well being. Forced labor. Any form of forced labor, including human trafficking, bonded labor, or coercion, is considered a critical violation. Workers must be employed voluntarily and should have the freedom to leave their employment at any time without facing threats, violence, or the withholding of personal documents. The recruitment, transportation, or harboring of individuals through force, fraud, or coercion for the purpose of exploitation is a serious violation. Human trafficking is a severe human rights abuse often linked with forced labor and sexual exploitation. Discrimination. Severe cases of discrimination based on race, gender, age, religion, or other protected characteristics are intolerable. Equal treatment and opportunities must be provided to all workers, and discriminatory practices can lead to severe consequences. Freedom of association. Preventing workers from forming or joining unions or retaliating against workers for participating in collective bargaining is a zero tolerance issue. Workers have the right to organize and engage in collective activities without fear of retribution. In a social audit, when zero tolerance issues are identified, they often trigger immediate escalation, such as notifying senior management, halting production, or initiating immediate corrective actions. The company may also be provided the undergo a follow-up audit to ensure the issues have been fully resolved. Failure to address zero tolerance issues can lead to termination of business relationship and reputational damage. Abuse and harassment. Any form of physical abuse, sexual harassment, or violation against a worker is intolerable. Workers must be treated with dignity and respect at all times. Instances for physical punishment, intimidation, or sexual exploitation are immediate grounds for zero tolerance. Severe health and safety violations. Situations where workers' life is endangered due to very serious health and safety conditions. For example, unstable building structure, no protecting against fire, electrical, chemical, and machine safety are critical issues. These conditions can result in severe injury or death and require immediate corrective action. Falsification of records. Deliberate falsification of employment records, payroll, working hours, or safety data is considered a zero tolerance issue because it undermines the integrity of the audit process. Accurate records are essential for verifying compliance with labor standards. Environmental catastrophes. Actions that result in significant environmental damage, such as illegal dumping of toxic waste, are treated as zero tolerance due to their long-term impact on the environment and the health of surrounding communities. Bribery and corruption. Any form of bribery, corruption, or attempts to influence the audit process is considered a serious violation. This includes offering gifts, money, or other incentives to auditors to overlook non-compliance or provide a favorable audit report. Access denied. The auditors is not allowed to enter the premises of the facility being audited and refused access to necessary documentations such as payroll record, working hours logs, employee contracts, or safety records, or not allowed to interview workers privately. Hope you find this video informative and useful. To check your own knowledge and understanding on this subject, review questions on the screen and provide answers in the comment box. If you like the video, please subscribe for our motivation to bring similar videos on other social compliance subject. Thank you.